Hello guys, welcome to another trading strategy. So in today's strategy, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use this simple strategy to catch 10 to 20 candles in the boom and crash pairs. So quick note is you are trading just boom 1000 and crash 1000 with this strategy, okay? And also you can add crash 900 and boom 900 to it. So that's making 4 index that you are going to be trading with this strategy, okay? So you have to note that. And also I'm going to show you guys how the strategy works and the settings for the strategy we are going to discuss that in this video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Like this video as well. So let's proceed with the strategy. Okay. First thing you want to do is just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So this is where we are going to be adding our indicator up. So this is the indicator we are going to be using. We don't just need the indicator. So the first one is going to be the RSI. So at the way at the top, we click on this mean chart F plus. We search for RSI and this is the parameters. Now the parameter does not necessary. What necessary is the levels. So we need the 15 and the 85 levels, and of course using color of your choice. So go back and make sure you click on save right here. So that is the first indicator we need for this strategy. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the envelope. So how do we add this envelope up? We click on this indicator with 1F plus. We search for envelope and this is the parameters. Now the period is 20, shift is 0, deviation is 0.000, methods is now weighted, apply to close, and for the style usually color of choice and click on save. So that is the settings we need for the envelope. Now moving on to the next one, which is going to be the moving average. So how do we add the moving average up? We click on this mean chart or indicator with 1F plus. We search for moving average and this is the parameters. Now the period is 22, shift is 3, method is exponential, apply to previous indicators data, and for the style using color of choice and click on save. So that is the settings we need for the strategy. So if you use the same color that I use, your chart to look like this, and if you use different color, your chart will look like this, but the indicator color is going to be different. Now before we proceed on how you can use this strategy, I quickly want you guys to know that there is a program which you can be used as a forex trader, or if you are new to do forex trading, there's a broker you can be using that is going to give you a no deposit $30 bonus to trade, and this broker is going to be very effective and is very so it's very useful for new or pro trader. So if you want to use the broker, the link is going to be in the description down below, so you can check it out and sign up with the broker. So that being said, let's proceed with the strategy. As you all know, this strategy is very simple. You just have to follow the rules of the strategy. So when you come to the chart and you want to look for a trade or a setup on this strategy, what you do is you want to see multiple spike in the market. So we are looking for multiple spike right here. So after this multiple spike, then the next thing we do is we want to see that the spike allow the green line to come straight to the 85 levels, which means that the envelope line has to come straight to the 85 levels after this multiple spike right here. So after we see all this, then the next thing we do is to wait for the envelope line to now cross below the moving average. Now let me show you guys where it cross below it. So after all this spike right here, after all this spike right here, after this long spike, right here, you can see that eventually there is a cross below the moving average, which means that the envelope line crossed below the moving average. So after we confirm this cross, the next thing we do is to wait for the spike, and then we are now looking for entries. Now how do we take our entries? We are just waiting for multiple candles for the price to start counting candles, which means that we are waiting for first, second, third, and the fourth candle. After this, all this fourth candle right here, then now we enter our trade at the fifth candle, and after we enter the fifth candle, then we catch all this move right here. We just catch 10 to 20 candles and then place our positions. Okay, so that's how we used this strategy. Keep that in mind that you always want to see a spike in the market. Now for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, to zoom in twice, and then that is the zoom level for the strategy. Now I'm going to show you guys another trading setup here on crash 1000 before I jump into the boom index. Now looking at this trade right here, we are still looking for we are still looking for a setup. Okay, so how do you not take a trade with this strategy? as I told you guys, the first thing we are expecting is multiple spike to happen in the market. After this multiple spike right here, we want to see that this spike allows the RSI to come and touch the 85 levels. After we confirm this touch on the 85 levels, then the next thing we do is to wait for all these spikes to be able to cross below, to be able to allow the envelope to cross below the moving average on the 85 levels. So after we confirm this, then the next thing we do is to wait for the envelope line now comes straight to the 15 levels. After coming straight to the 15 levels, then we are looking for crossover to happen. Now this is where the crossover happens. This is where the envelope line cross the 15 levels. After we confirm all these setups, then the next thing we do is to wait for the cross to happen. After this cross right here, then we enter our trade. So this is the candle we are going to enter our trade from. So after this candle right here, you catch 10 to 20 candles and then you close your positions. Okay, so that is how we trade with this strategy. So we don't greed with this strategy, catch your candles and close your positions. Now this is boom 1000 index, and I'm going to show you guys a trade here on boom 1000 index. Firstly, we are waiting for the envelope line to cross the 15 levels. That is the first thing we are waiting for when we come to the chart and looking for a trade. Next thing we do is for it to cross above the moving average. When it cross above the moving average, then we should be seeing all this spike right here in the market. So after we confirm all this, then we wait for the line to cross the 85 levels. After touching the 85 levels, we wait for it to cross the moving average again. So this time around, we are waiting for it to cross below the moving average. After crossing below it, we just wait for where it crossed below the moving average, right at this candle right here. Then we take our entries and catch all this move right here. Simple and straightforward strategy, and that's how the strategy works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification and entire posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.